Hey everyone, are you ready for some baking? Today I have another great recipe for you guys. We are going to bake double chocolate chip cookies from New York City's most famous cookie bakery named Levain Bakery. I really like these cookies to be soft and fudgy, but that depends on your baking time and preference. You can make them crispy, soft, whatever you like. Thank you again for visiting my channel. Enjoy the video. Put your flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt into a bowl and mix well. Later we will add this mixture to our cookie batter. For this recipe I'm going to use my standing mixer. Add your cold butter, brown and white sugar to the mixing bowl and mix slowly until everything is well mixed. Now it's time to add our eggs. Let the first egg mix into your batter before adding the second one. When it looks like this, you can add your vanilla flavor and cacao. Now keep mixing slowly until your batter looks smooth. Add your flour mixture to the batter. And mix slowly again until there is no more flour visible. The batter is now finished and ready to add your chocolate chips. Now mix slowly until everything is well mixed. I'm using my ice cream scoop to shape the batter into cookies. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how they turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you next time.